Okay, so plate separation here. My first Atag boiler gone in. Very impressed with this Atag. Very nice boiler. As I said before, could do with some sort of upgrade on controls on it, but this is an on-off system. It's basically on a programmable room stat. So we've got the pump here is pumping upwards. So we've got co-current flow through the boiler. So boiler flows this way, and secondary circuit flows that way. I don't know whether these arrows are supposed to tell us anything, but I know in the Viessmann WB1A they went that way, and the WB1B they went that way. So I don't think it really matters, although they were always the same way. So anyway, delta T on my heating system on pump setting 1, so I've got no resistance of a heat exchanger in there. A 1550, well, it's actually a 2550 because it's got the European labelling system on it, an Entes 2550 pump, and I've got delta T 17.4, which is not bad at all. I'm quite pleased with that on setting 1, can't argue. Now the bit that's interesting here is the distortion. Let's go. So what we want is as close a match between the flow on the boiler and the flow on the secondary side. Now the closer they are, the less extra temperature required to come from the boiler to get our correct temperature in the radiators. So we really want something nice and low, and I've been measuring this for a little while, and I've been getting 0.5, and that's actually the wrong side at the moment. The sensor's just settling in, so that's giving me a positive reading, but the leads are connected the wrong way around, so I need a negative reading, and I'm looking for a negative of 0.5 degrees C, which is what I've been getting most of the time. So the temperature difference from one flow to the other, we lose half a degree C through that plate heat exchanger, which I think is absolutely amazing. So okay, it's day 1, it's the first time we've fired it, everything's absolutely clean, system's clean, boiler's clean. I'm sure we'll lose some efficiency of that over time as the plate gets dirty, but with regular servicing we can clean that up once a year, bring it back to new, just pop some FX2 in there, and we should get a good result. So, okay, so we've got a little bit of higher one going on at the moment. I was really expecting to see something nearer to about 5 degrees on here though, so anything around this sort of level is fine by me. There we go, 0.9. Don't think it's going to shift much from there. Might go to 1, but 0.9 degrees difference. I think it's pretty cool. So all in all, plate separation looks like a good way to protect the boiler. Can't get any contaminants back in the boiler. All right, costs a little bit of money to do it. I need an extra pump. I need to buy the plate. This plate cost me £91 plus the VAT. Not exactly breaking the bank, but I've seen bigger ones on eBay for £51, and I think for the sake of a pump and a £51 heat exchanger, you know, I'd like this system. It'd almost be worth having a couple of these so you can rotate them, just clean one, rotate it, and just put it in your annual service. Okay, right, well, a few commissioning checks to do and then I'm off home.